Hello everyone, stuni ni khunjong camera footage sa kona ni kimodo thilam dang ta ho le lhagao gim nei ani kimodo ho so ana ve kho mo hitin ana sei khom kitau hiti akhat channa hin tiktoker dark script 37 kitinu hi acha te ni to hin ana khosa in nekhat hi acha ten hi aloi ho khat to thingphung pang khana limikila awa video kap na wa hin hitabang thilam dang ta khat hi ani record khana hi namu thayam hilaya hin aki hello khot khatin chapang pa keng hi ahin thamina hi camera ka panjong amu phaten chun aman jong agadalin ajit avel la so aga vevel le na hi la ima chu anom kit poi nangin hilaya khot hung ki mu hi ipi hidinga nagin mo em ahumi ahe kon khanen asaina asun helai thingphung ai mi an ki khaila an thi an umda nin jong asai bina hi achutia hele hilaya an ki khaili ho lhagao ti lo chu gin moding dang wang su aum poi na hi ani channa hen nupi tiktoker marer kitinu hin jan khar hi aman jong ain maya selfie video alan a hi la alim amel so ama to banglo te in zat chom diwin hun a hin ki mu do in a hi
Y'all, I am in my yard. Watch my face. This is not an app doing this. This is my yard. The church is behind me. Watch my face. Church, you can see straight through me. I kid you not. Look at this. Whoa.
amazong aki hin le na hila amel so ama mel lo te in kichat mel put te in khun ahung ki khial ji in amanu na sei na a in vela mu thelo lhagao wa le arekur kha danin a sein hin la hi chimong hi a hinai tia sei chit theiwang a poin a hi nangin wang ipi hin te na tim ipi hidinga gin mo na neyam na longgel common lamain sei chule loi te ho ima ki hinai hi jong ne eloi pau min si vlog ngai lut zalen a channel ana promote piu hiti ai ho zala subscriber neu cha hi jong la khan be theina digin kilung tu wat sa nen bol pi thei chanen ana bol piu hite ti chu ka hin tem na hi ve loi te ho a ling chu common ma sa pena ka hin pi ding a hi tun awan an sa lo hiti athum channa hin yuto kiti ga ma hin ancient core house kiti in luile in kim nei ta kha thi ana in helai ina chun ensin la ajite mi nga hi ana cheng ovin ensin hi milung khota khada hi in ajite la achu koi te bang sei ngai lo o ma hela room neu cha sung khan a hin kot ana kha hum ji in a hi tu nunga kum som get wal zawin tiktok lama para noise kiti tim ho hin helai mun chu holding an aga chi vin a hi la he tabang thil hi a hin tu ta vin a hi
What?
There's like a knock on it sounded like knock on a window or something.
I'm done. I can't.
Trying to draw us.
Freaking, that's where it was trying to
Dude.
What?
Look at it! Look at it!
Oh, it is the freaking ceiling. Here's someone talking. There's some girls out in the front. Okay, that's the freaking ceiling. Freaking. I don't know.
What? It was.
What?
There was a thing like smashing up against the glass. Oh my god.
Was that in the front? Was that the front of the freaking house? What was that?
The window.
It's coming from inside. It hit the.
Oh my god.
This has been happening the whole time.
That's been happening the whole time?
We're in here.
Somebody's been banging on the window and the door.
We got it on video too. So
Okay, I think I'm done. I need to get... What the hell? Is that gonna break the...
I don't know. Is that coming from upstairs or downstairs?
Okay, I think... Okay, that's the freaking... I'm done. Okay.
We gotta go in.
You're gonna go in?
Yeah, let's go in.
Why would you go in when the freaking...
Kalbi khat hi bang su su na ki nei chu I movin chula golgin chat chum chum lang chu is a thaivin a hi chuin a mo jong a sung lam a chun a galut vin hi la awan chui pi ham an veu hi te.
I think this is where the banging was coming from. This is for sure. Look. Look at that. That's what I saw flying around. I saw that in the window.
Yeah, it's like clear up by the ceiling.
Amon jong hilai ina atil head ola atil mu ho zo si so a life and a veho paranormal lama lungdut ho jong chun hilai mun chu ahung visit kiduvin hetin chun amon jong ancient core house a chun thil kidang ho chu an record kha kit vin a hi.
Oh my gosh. No. Oh my gosh. There's the neighbor. There's the neighbor. Oh my gosh.
Do you guys see stuff a lot? Like
Not really. I just hear things in my bedroom.
That's crazy. Nah.
If I live, like, my bedroom's like right on this side right here.
Yeah. Oh! Where's the glass? Oh. Oh my god. Yeah, yeah, the neighbor came over and was like,
I know.
are there people in there? They're like, someone's knocking on our... And I was like, no, like, I think it might be the...
Hilai ancient core house kiti ina hen mu do thele head do thei thil gim nei le thil kidang tam ta hi an hlungin a hi hi chi in nei te ancient la en sungmi te hi athi ta wanga hi a lhagao hin hi chi in hi ada tha lo a hi dem hilaya hi a lhagao hi cheng jing na lai a hi dem Ali Chanhan TikTokal TDM kiti minu khahen achapa hi upstill lama akichip sen ama hi innui lama hi kisai modan hile akilomin chun cham khat zawen achapa husan gen ahin za in aman jong upstill lang so ataw dalin ahile thileu si chu apasu ke danin aumin ahin aman jong CCTV footage so acheng an hile hitabang thil hi an hlung dan ahi Hilaya hin sapang pa he akimu thailo khotto ki hawa ki chim khom hile ki lo min a hi sun a hin son lu in akimu thailo hin ayang bol danin jong akilangin a hi anuna saina chun achapa matel to hin sapang khari hung piang khom dan hi a pen khom pi pa chu anathia mater bo hi anadam do dan hi achuta hila akichip khom pi la ayang bol hi a pen khom pi pa lhagau chu a hi dem ipi chu hin ten tim lungel komal laman se anga channa hin YouTuber Kodi Aran kitipan paranormal mu thailo lhagau lang sang hi ama hen anata asan lo hi henla alungel lo lam ten a office sunga sun thelho hi a hiding bangin aum tapuin thilkidang la thilgit zat chum hi ana hlungji tai chuphan ena manjang office sunga sun video ana semin hi le hitabang thil hi ana record kha in a hi.
Okay, you guys, so this is the door that moves on its own, and that's the chair that moves on its own. And I'm just tired, there's absolutely nothing here this time. I've not seen anything. It's 9:46, and usually everything happens by this time, but nothing's going on. There was way more people than what's usually here today, so I kind of guess maybe that's what it is, and I'm just gonna call it a day. I'll start again tomorrow maybe, and we'll see what. Okay, so I'm the only one here right now, and the door just closed on its own.
Namu thayam hilaya hin anunga hin numei chapang khat hi anading in a hi. Sule ahung phai hung na zong hin kot zong hi ama chamin ahung ki kha in a hi. Hete aman zong a video ko na mu do la het do a hin nei ji la viewers tam tain a hin nge ji nin zon aman zong anilha ki nin hin. CCTV room a zon aumin a vile ta na hi le hete bang thil hi a hin tu in a hi.
Means that there's no motion, right? Did you see that? It disappeared. What in the world? Okay. I'm going over. I have to see what this is. See, and look. Here is the motion detection for me in this room. There I am on the screen. There's no motion detect. Look, it's moving. And there's no motion detection right there. That is nuts. Look at that. Let's do it. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need Eric's help for this. I'm not gonna do this by myself.
Aman zong CCTV ko na thil sa lo amu do na room sunga sun aga lut gun a hi la dal han leave kiti ogin hin a hin no in. Suphane na ma zong akichat phaten hilai mun chu adal ha pai jeng tan a hi. Ipidia hi chi office sunga hi lhagao lang a hi dem. Ole ama pain lhagao kiti hi ata san mobala le asunga hi lungkha hi dem. Ipiji pen hin tem ipi chu hidinga degin mo em alungel koman lama inse. Agup chan na in Indonesia na TikToker Rifki kiti pahin lha lam mula ni thei sa the ekitwa aman jong in lam a hin jot pe ni hin lam pa main tiza le lungdan ta til khat hi an record khai na hi.
Baru dari Indomaret dan gue abis belanja di Indomaret dan sekarang waktu mau balik ke kos dan di ujung itu kayak ada orang atau apa gue nggak tahu ya guys, dan ini cuma jalan satu-satunya untuk ke kos gue gitu. Oke, kita deketin aja ya, pelan-pelan. Gue nggak tahu ini orang atau enggak ya. Gue gak tahu apa anjir. Kok hilang anjir? Kemana tuh orang? Anjir bangsat. Hilang guys.
Ahung kile na hin lam pa mai tiza le kisarum ta nu mai khat hi anadingin. Aman jong akichat phaten ain lam zonin anazamin hin la cham khat zoin aman jong anung vet kin an hi le he chi thil chu anum tapuin a hol mo in a hi chule he chinu mai nu hi amai u si jong asamin atu min a hi nangin he chi thil hi ata hin te na tim ole kon khat hi akisim thu a hi dam a hi lo le nang tu hi tale hi chi thili ipi na ti dem ipi din mona na dem na lunggel na ngai dan hin sein chule tu ne ading in hin hi chanin a ki chai tai chule loi te ho isai ma bang min eloi pau min si channel hi ngai lun anei ten subscribe and bol pi so ke ute loi te ho bye bye see you in the next video